back to my channel, everyone. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today I'm gonna be doing a Zara haul. This is the first video, like the first haul video on my channel, and I'm super excited. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Zara had sale going on their website, and the malls are shut again, so I had to buy a few of the items from their website. So first top which I have is this one. This is a knitted crop top and it's in beige color, and I absolutely love it. It feels very warm and cozy, and I love the fabric. And yeah, this one is my birthday top. So a lot of you guys were asking about my birthday outfit on my Instagram reels, and I hadn't mentioned over there, so I thought why not mention in this video. So this has ruffles and it's a very nice sage green color, and I absolutely love it. It's a bodycon top and it's also in the size small. Next up we have joggers. This one is a very basic joggers, and yeah, it was on sale. I'll put the prices right here. The quality is very nice. Obviously Zara quality is top notch. And yeah, moving on to the next item, I got another top, and this is the top which I got. It's a crop top and it's a nice Barbie pink color, and it's a ribbed material. I got it in the size small. The thing which I like the most about this top is that it has drawstrings and you can pull it and stretch it like this. The fit is amazing. It has a nice v-neck and it's very flattering. So yeah, the next top which I got is this one. This also has small ruffles. I am in love with ruffles right now, and I had to buy this. This is in white, and look at this. The tops which I got from Zara are very basic, like you can wear it on a casual date or brunch, or yeah, something like that. I did not get any fancy stuff because I wanted some basic and casual wear. So yeah, the quality is similar to the pink top, and even this is in the size small. So the next item which I got is this jeans, and if you guys haven't watched my previous vlog, please watch it. Vidhi and I, Vidhi is my best friend by the way, we both got the same pair of jeans. It is a ribbed jeans, and as you all can see, काफी ज़्यादा ribbed है. I usually do not wear ribbed jeans because बहुत ज़्यादा ही फट जाता है, but Vidhi convinced me to buy this, and the fit, oh my god. Zara and H&M jeans are amazing. Like, I absolutely love the fit, but it's like you have to try the jeans first before buying it, because it's a trial and error method. Sometimes the fit doesn't look flattering, sometimes it's way too long. So yeah, that's the problem, and I got it in the size 36. It's super high-waisted, and yeah, I love it. It has a bit tomboyish look, and yeah, it's amazing. So the next item which I got is this pair of jeans. It's a very nice charcoal black color jeans. I got it in the size 36. By the way, I wore this on my birthday, and oh my god, I love this. But the one thing which I don't like about this is this. Can you guys see? There is no zip, and these buttons are a bit like, I don't know, I feel like it's time consuming to do like this and like this, and I feel very uncomfortable, but overall I love it. So the last item which I got from Zara is this top. As you all can see, it's also in my favorite color, sage green, and it's a bit oversized. I got it in the size small. Actually, Sanika convinced me to buy this top because K-pop stars usually wear such kind of top, and inside that they also wear a turtleneck, and it looks amazing. And yeah, it's very comfortable and nice. The quality is so good, and for the price which I paid, it's worth it. So here we come to an end of this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. And this was my first haul video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll link all the products in the description down below, and comment down below what all things you like from this haul, and I'll make more such haul videos in future. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.